happened?
It was about 2 o'clock in the morning. Suddenly he woke up and got out of bed. He heard a noise, so he went downstairs. He went slowly downstairs. There was light on in the living room. He listened carefully.
Okay. Yeah, he listened carefully.
He could hear two men speaking very quietly. He ran back upstairs and called a police.
괜찮으세요? 가요? 가요? 너무 가요?
He was really afraid. The police arrived quietly. They opened the front door and went to the living room. But they saw him. They turned the television off for him.
Okay.